So, do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs. They're much more playful.
That may be true, but cats are cheaper. They don't eat as much as dogs.
That is true. Dogs eat a lot, so they usually are more expensive. However, smaller dogs don't eat so much.
Also, cats are easier to take care of. Dogs are more demanding.
Usually. Plus, you don't have to walk cats.
I want a dog, actually. But I need a bigger place if I get one.
You would. Your place is too small.
What do you usually do for dinner?
I usually cook at home. I never go out.
Really? I never cook. I always eat out.
You should cook more. It's much healthier and cheaper.
Maybe, but eating out is more convenient and it's easier.
Not always. Plus, it is much more expensive to eat out all the time. Cooking is much cheaper.
Not for me. When I buy groceries, I always end up wasting it. Plus, cooking is more stressful. It is more relaxing to eat in a restaurant.
Maybe, but cooking is more enjoyable. I could never eat out every night.
What is the best place to visit in your country?
I think the West Coast. It has the best weather.
What about the cost?
The costs are very high. Our most expensive cities are there.
Oh, that's too bad. What about the food?
It's great. It has the best restaurants in the country.
What is the oldest city in your country?
I think it's the capital.
Is it the biggest?
It was, but not anymore.
Why are people moving out?
Well, it's not the most modern place to live.
I see you got a new phone.
Yeah, I just got it yesterday.
How is it?
Great. It is better than my last phone. It is also lighter.
How's the camera? Does it take better pictures?
Yes, the pictures are great. The images are brighter and sharper. Much prettier than before.
Sounds great. I should get a new phone as well.
Well, if you do, buy it online. It's cheaper.
Good advice. I think I'll do that.
What is the fastest way to get to the airport?
By taxi, but it's the most expensive.
What's the cheapest?
The local bus, but is by far the slowest way to get there.
I'd better spring for a taxi then.
Yeah, it's best if you do.
Where do you usually buy your groceries?
I usually go to City Market because the prices are cheaper.
Yeah, it is cheaper there, but the produce is not that fresh. So I stopped shopping there.
Oh, where do you shop?
I buy my groceries at Farmer's Market because the produce is much better.
Yeah, but I hear it is much more expensive there.
It is, but you get what you pay for.
I can't argue with that.
How do you like your new job?
It's great. The pay is much better, but my job is much more stressful.
What about the benefits?
They are about the same, but my vacation time is longer.
Oh, that's nice. And how are your coworkers?
Everyone is nice, but the office environment is more serious. I miss my friends.
Sounds like you miss your old job. Any regrets?
No, I am happier now. The money is worth it.
How is your online class going?
Good. It is better than I expected.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah, it's more convenient to study at home. And it is also more relaxing.
How so?
Well, I don't have to get dressed or go sit at a desk.
Plus, you can get up later.
Yes, that is a big advantage. However, it is more interesting to study with people in class.
Yeah, for some, I suppose. But not everyone.
How was the movie last night?
Oh, it was great. It was the scariest movie I've ever seen.
Oh, really? That scary?
Yes, I was screaming throughout the film.
Was it crowded?
Yeah, it was the most packed I've ever seen the theater.